So we have a cubic graph here that we have to solve, or a cubic equation. So it's an x cubed minus 3x squared minus 9x plus 11. Now your cubic graphs take the form of a shape like that. There are two turning points, and when you're looking for the solution, it can have one or three solutions. So this one will have three solutions. It's the locations on the x-axis where the graph crosses. To get the first solution for x, we can type the function into the calculator and see what value of x gives us out 0 by using the table mode, or we can use trial and error. So say if I let x equal 1, then I replace x with 1. And see, does the left hand side equal the right hand side? So plugging that into your calculator, you'll get, it should give you out 0. Just working it out, you can see here that 1 plus 11 is 12, minus 3 minus 9 will give you 0. So you've got the left hand side equal the right hand side. So the factor theorem tells me that if x equals 1 is a root, in other words it gives you out 0, then the factor theorem says that x minus 1 is a factor. So that means that x minus 1 will divide into this function with a remainder 0. So let's do the division. So we have x minus 1 divides into the cubic function x cubed minus 3x squared minus 9x plus 11. So your division here, first step is you do a bit of division, then multiply, and then you change the signs of numbers. I'll explain it as I go. So x goes into x squared and leaves me with x cubed. X goes into x cubed and leaves me with x squared. Now multiply. Multiply the x squared by the x to get x cubed. Multiply the x squared by minus 1 to get minus 1x squared. Now we change the sign. So what do I mean by that? Well, if it's plus, we change it to minus, and if it's minus, we change it to plus. And then you'll see x cubed minus x cubed, they will give me 0. And minus 3x squared plus 1x squared is minus 2x squared. And then we bring down the remaining terms. Now we repeat this process again, so we just keep repeating this process until our remainder is 0. X goes into minus 2x squared and leaves me with minus 2x. Multiply minus 2x by x and multiply minus 2x by minus 1. Again, now we change the signs, so if it was minus, change it to a plus. If it's plus, change it to a minus. So that's a minus, change it to a plus, that changes to a minus. Now we have minus 2x squared plus 2x squared, so that will give me 0. And then minus 9x minus 2x is minus 11x, and then we bring down the plus 11. Repeat the process, so x divides into minus 11x and gives me minus 11. Multiply minus 11x and then minus 11 by minus 1. So that's a plus, yep, minus by minus is a plus. Change the signs again. So if it's a minus, change it to a plus. If it's a plus, change it to a minus. So they go, and they leave me with a remainder of 0. So how does that help us then find the other root? We use minus b on the quadratic up here. So use minus b on x squared minus 2x minus 11 equals 0. And if you're a Leaving Cert higher level math student, you shouldn't need any help with the minus b. That should give you two answers of 1 plus 2 root 3. It tells you to leave your answer in irrational, or write it in the form a plus b root c. So 1 plus 2 root 3, so this is the calculator, or x equals 1 minus 2 root 3. So those are your three solutions using the factor theorem. Commonly asked questions, so there's the first one, x equals 1, and there's the second one, and the third one.